Hello students, welcome to mathematics class of standard 6. Today you will be learning about knowing our numbers. Before moving on to the session, let's brush up with the concepts that you have learned in previous classes. Today you will be learning about 5-digit number, insertion of comma, place value and face value, Indian standard representation of numbers, international standard representation of numbers, comparison of numbers, and few exercise problems. Now let's move on to the session. In previous class, you have learnt about 5-digit number. So what is actually a number? A number is a mathematical object which is used to count or measure. So without numbers, we cannot do any single thing in our daily life. So now let's discuss about the 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and so on. There are up to n-digit numbers in our daily life. How come we will be reading the numbers without insertion of commas? So now let's learn how to insert the comma into the number. What is actually a comma? A comma is used to separate the numbers and make us easy to read. We'll not be inserting commas for 1, 2 and 3-digit number. We'll be inserting the comma beyond 3 like 4, 5, 6 up to n-digit numbers. The insertion of commas has period values where we have to insert the comma. So we have to group the numbers according to their place value and we have to insert the comma. For example, ones, tens, hundreds come under one period and 1000, 10,000 comes under the other period. Okay, let me explain with the examples. Listen carefully how I read the number 45,321. 45,321. You have to skip the first three numbers from the right corner and you have to insert the comma next to the fourth digit of the given number. This is how you have to insert the comma. Let us see with the second example. 64,121. So where we have to insert the comma? We have to skip the first three numbers from the right corner, then insert comma next to the fourth digit of the given number. Now let's read 64,121. It is easy to read the numbers up to 5-digit number. As the numbers goes increase order, it will be difficult for us to read. We have to get to know about place value and face value. To read the numbers according to their place values, let's learn about place value. What is exactly a place value? A place value is the value of each digit in the given number. Here the number is 7945. What is the place value of 9? The place value of 9 is hundreds. So each and every digit in the given number has its own place value. Now let's see what is face value. A face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. For example, 7945. The face value of 7 is 7. So far you have learnt about place value system. Now let's learn about Indian place value system. In Indian place value system up to 10,000 you have learnt in your previous class. Now let's learn about the numbers which are beyond 10,000 and how we will be representing it in the place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is the way of representing the number in Indian place value system. Here the given number is 7 crore 73 lakh 21,432. So this is the given number. Now let's see how to insert commas. We know that comma is used to separate the number and make us to read easily. Indian standard place value system has different method in insertion of commas. First, we'll skip off the first three numbers from the right corner and we'll be placing the comma next to the fourth digit. Then we will be grouping them according to their period values, in sense their place values. Now let's group them according to their place value. First, what we have to do? We have to group them according to their place value, like 1000 and 10,000 in one period, lakh and 10 lakh in one period, crore and 10 crore in one period. So here there is no number in 10 crore. So what we will be doing is, we will separate crore from lakhs. So 7 crore 73 lakh 21,432. As I said, we have grouped them according to their place values. So 7 crore 73 lakh 21,432. This is how you have to group the given numbers and you have to insert the commas according to their place value. Now let's see the second example. Here the given number is 15 crore 84 lakh 52,136. Let's group them according to their place values. Up to 100, it is of one period of place value. So we will not be inserting any commas in one digit or two digit or three digit number. So we group them as one single period and insert the comma next to the fourth digit of the given number. Then 1000 and 10,000 into one group, lakh and 10 lakh in one group, crore and 10 crore in one group. So this is how we have to insert the commas according to their place values. So far you have learned about Indian place value system. Now we will be learning about international place value system. International place value system is bit different from Indian place value system. Now let's see with the example. Up to 10,000, it is same as Indian place value system. Then after that, lakh is represented as 100,000, 10 lakh is represented as 1 million, 1 crore is represented as 10 million and 10 crore is represented as 100 million. Let's see with the example. 59,836,456. First three digit is same as the Indian system. Then we have to group them according to their place value. Before inserting comma, I'll read out the numbers, so listen carefully. 59,836,456. So first three number is same as Indian system. We'll be inserting comma before the thousands place value. Then after that, group the thousands as one single period and insert comma before the millions period. So this is how we will be inserting the comma according to their place value. Group the numbers according to their place value first, then insert comma in their appropriate place. So far you have learnt about international and Indian place value system and how to insert commas in their appropriate place. Now let's learn how to represent them in words. Here the given example for Indian standard system is 7 crore 73 lakh 21,432. So this is the given number. Let's represent them in words. 7 crore 73 lakh 21,432. This is how we will be representing the given number in words. Now let's learn how to represent the international standard numbers into words. The given number is 59,000,000 800 36,000 456. Due to space constraint, I have written like this, students. Don't get confused. We have learned about Indian standard place value system, international standard place value system, and also we got to know the difference between Indian standard and international standard representation of numbers. You got to know about how to represent the numbers into words. Now let's learn about the comparison of numbers. Now let's see with the examples. The first number is 78,945 to be compared with 58,454. Among this, which is greater? 78,945 is greater than 58,454. The second example, 32,154 to be compared with 45,963. So here the first given number is lesser than the second number. So 32,154 is less than 45,963. In third example, the numbers are equal to one another, so we put equal to symbol in the given space. 43,210 to be compared with 42,101. So here 43,000 is greater than 42,101. So far you have learnt about the basics of knowing our numbers. Based on the concepts you have learned, now we will be learning to solve the exercise problem. Exercise 1.1. Before moving on to the exercise problem, let's make a table so that it will be easy for you to convert the lakhs to the thousands or crore to lakhs or million to hundred thousands, like that. We know that 10 multiplied with 10 gives 100. Similarly, 100 with 10 gives 1000. 1000 into 10 is 10,000. 10,000 into 10 is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 10 is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there? Let's see. 10,000 into 10 will give 1 lakh. So here you have to enter 10. So 10,000 gives you 1 lakh. Now let's see the second problem. The second problem is of International Standard of Representing the Numbers. So what I have done is I have written Indian Standard Representation in left side and International Standard Representation of Numbers in right side. Now let's see. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. 10 lakh equals to 1 million. Crore equal to 10 million. 10 crore equal to 100 million. Now what we have to know is 1 million equal to how many? 100,000. 10 lakh has 6 zeros. Now separate 100,000 from 10 lakhs. So the leftover is 10. So 10 100,000 makes 1 million. Students, once again I am saying, just listen. We know that 10 lakh is of 1 million. So what we are going to do is we are going to separate 100,000 from 10 lakh so that the leftover number is 10, which is multiplied with the 100,000. So we get it as 1 million. Now let's move on to the third problem. The third problem is 1 crore equal to how many? 10 lakh. We know that 10 multiplied with 10 lakh gives 1 crore. So we get 1 crore. If we multiply 10 with 10 lakh, we get 1 crore. So how many 10 lakhs are there then? 10 lakhs are there in 1 crore. Students, for this, first you have to make a note of small things, which is the difference between the Indian standard and international standard place values. Then it will be easy for you to solve the given problems. Now let's see the second main. The second main is of inserting the comma and writing them in numericals. Here the given question is 73 lakh 75,307. Since there is no number in tens place value, we are representing it by 0. Let's group them according to their period values and we'll insert the comma. First 3 digit, we'll not insert any comma. Then we'll insert the comma next to the thousands place value. Then 1000, after that lakh. Next question is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Since there is no value given in the tens place of lakh, we are representing it with 0, and similarly for thousands and hundreds places. So we are representing them by 0. First 3 number we have to skip, then 2 number, again 2 number. According to their place values, we will be separating them and inserting the comma. The third problem, 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 70 crore 52 lakh 21,302 is a given number. So far we have learnt about 5-digit number, Indian Standard Place Value System, International Standard Place Value System, insertion of comma, and based on that we have solved some exercise problem. Students, keep practicing what you have learned. Until we meet in next session, stay home, stay safe and enjoy learning.